You want to start affiliate marketing, but you are an introvert and absolutely refuse to point at the text bubbles on TikTok or show your face on camera. You're probably feeling stuck here. But there is a massive traffic source out there that is still untapped, and most beginners completely ignore that. And that platform is built for introverts, and it requires zero editing if you choose to do so. And by the title, I'm sure you know already that I'm talking about Pinterest. Now, Pinterest here is not a social media. People think it is just like Instagram or TikTok, but it is not. It's not a social media. It more works like Google, that is search based, right? It's like visual search platform, if you will. People don't go there for quick entertainment or dopamine hits. They go there for the solutions and also to plan purchases, right? And in this exact video, I will show you exactly how to turn this Pinterest into an evergreen traffic machine for you. And we are going to cover exactly how to pick the right niche, how to find the exact keywords buyers are typing in, how to build high converting faceless pin in Canva, and finally how to actually upload it and build an income using Pinterest. Now let's talk about niche, picking your niche. Now we all know the three biggest niche that does well everywhere, and that is health, wealth, and relationships. But the thing with Pinterest is that health and relationships is kinda highly competitive compared to some other niche out there, right? Now, wealth niche is still very much untapped and you can use it. This is my niche and I'm going to use this as an example, and we can subcategorize it, right? So in wealth, we can do side hustle post pins, right? Side hustle. We can do make money online offers, make money online pins. We can do specific affiliate marketing pages, affiliate marketing profiles on Pinterest. Now there are other niches as well that does quite well and is still highly untapped. So for example, pets niche is a huge one that you can tap in and sell, for example, ClickBank products there, right? You can use Amazon Associates to sell products from Amazon and make commissions that way. You can sell your own designs if you do e-com yourselves. There's so much thing that you can do, right? You can even do gardening, right? Gardening, design, home interior designs and such. These niches do really well with Pinterest. Now I'm going to do affiliate marketing as an example, and I can simply search for affiliate marketing and see whether there is a scope for growth in Pinterest or not, right? So I'm in here typed in affiliate marketing and I can simply click enter and see if there are pins of affiliate marketing out there, right? Now let's pick one pin in here. So for example, this one right here, right? So this one says how to start affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing on Pinterest in 2025. And this is a page called Busy Mom Side Hustle. And as you can see, right, almost 200k monthly views on this Pinterest profile, right? And you can see how simple the posts are, and you can create these within seconds, within minutes inside Canva. I will also show you how to, come up with really good content for a Pinterest to become your profile more valuable. This is basically just headlines, couple of images, and that's it. But you can actually provide more value on your pins and be a source that people come to get their questions answered. So first up, let's see how we are going to find content here. So first of all, I will go to google.com, and in here I can simply type what any new affiliate marketer does. For example, how to do affiliate marketing, and if I click on it, you will see all these results out there that is on Google, right? Very simple. So affiliate marketing, what it is and how to get started. This is a pretty good topic to create a pin, right? You browse down, you can find Quora, how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner, want to start affiliate marketing, what is the best and simplest way. These are all questions on Reddit, right, on Quora. These are all questions that people are actually asking. And since Pinterest is a visual search engine, if you become consistent enough on answering these questions on Pinterest, you will show up on search results here. For example, is this one. This is a short video that they did, affiliate marketing explaining for easy, and this has showed up in Google. And your images, when people go to images, it can come up that way too. The only thing with Pinterest is that this is not one and done game. You actually need to put in some time, post at least 3 times a day, and creating pins is extremely easy, right? As I said, there are these, let me just open this one here. What are the first steps a beginner should take to start earning with affiliate marketing? I will not log in right now, and there are plenty of answers in here. For example, this one, right? So if I click on it, you got the content right here, right? What I can do is I can simply go to Canva. Let's create the pin here. I can go to Canva and I can simply click, type down Pinterest pin in here. Let's just search it. We get the templates, the massive amount of templates here in Canva that is available free. This is pro, this is pro. I am a pro, I can use it, but if you are not a pro, you can still find free ones and modify it as per your needs. For example, this one, right? Or you can simply create a blank one. Let me just do that. So click on it. It has opened up a new page. I can simply click on it. I can change the color here. So if I want my Pinterest theme to be blue, I can simply click that blue in here. Now simply I will go here and copy paste the question. The first steps a beginner should take to start earning with affiliate marketing. Simple one. Let me go back in here. Let me add a text, add a subheading, and just paste it there. Awesome. And if you want, you can make a little change to make it look attractive. Now I got the title in here. Now I can simply go back to Quora and we can find that bulleted points and just get 3 in there, right? For example, I will use all of these. First off, let me open up ChatGPT. We can use AI for this. AI is there, so why not we use it? So I can type a prompt like this. So this is the prompt I'm actually going up with. I'm doing this on the fly with you guys here, right? So I typed in, I want to grow my Pinterest profile in affiliate marketing niche, and I will be creating simple, short to the point pins that answers questions of what people actually are searching for over on Google, Quora, Reddit, etc. Please help me create a quick response from the examples I give you or come up with your own that helps other people. Answer should be short, bullet points, and should be max 3 points. All right, I will press enter and I'll wait for the ChatGPT to answer me. And got it, that's actually pretty smart. Pinterest strategy, search intent plus quick value equal to saves plus clicks, right? And it reiterated what I exactly wanted. That's perfectly fine. And it actually gave me some example pins as well, right? For now, we are doing this one, right? So I will copy that. It can come up with its own answer, or I can borrow it from Quora where I actually found that question from. Right, so this is the first question that I want to create pin for, right? And I will add that in quotes, and I found this answer on Quora, but it's too long. Help me make it as per my needs. Here is that answer, right? I haven't actually read through the whole answer, but this is just for an example purpose. We go back here to ChatGPT, we paste it on ChatGPT, we include that inside the quotes, and done. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. So it came up with this, right? First steps to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Pick a niche, plus find products people already want. Create simple content, Pinterest, TikTok, or YouTube. Drive traffic, landing page, affiliate offer. Very simple. And now if you want, I can also turn this into scroll stopping pin headline, or create 10 more similar question based pins on YouTube batch posts. So you can just simply create those 10 more pins and it will create it for you, and you can simply just duplicate this and it will create another one, duplicate that and it will create another one, and you'll be able to mass download everything and then schedule the post inside Pinterest, and you have a week long or 10 days worth of content in about 30-40 minutes, right? Now we go back here and we are going to copy paste that answer. We will go here, we will duplicate this in here and we will paste it, right? We will just, and we want the bullet points, right? We will align it left, we will make it short, and we want the bulleted points, right? I will remove that, pretty clean. And you can do changes, you can add elements, like cash, right? Money, things like that. So if I go here, money icon, graphics, for example, this in here, I can add that, right? Or I can add the logo of my website. I can add website. So for example, if I want, I can, and you can create it. So, right, I added the money icon here, and then 100 per day with affiliate marketing and my call to action, that is website, right? So every pin I make, I can simply duplicate that and it will be just there. So every pin I make will have a call to action as well. That goes to my opt-in page where I collect email address, where I have my affiliate offers that I want to sell, and the backend will do its job and generate commissions for me, which I will talk about in a bit as well. So it's as simple to actually download it. So now if you actually want to upload, so share, click on share, download, and I just want to download the first one because that's the only one that I completed. Done and download. So it's downloaded now. I can go back to Pinterest. I can go back to my profile here. I will create, I actually want to create a board, and the board is affiliate marketing, anything really, knowledge, affiliate marketing knowledge, whatever, right? I'm just coming up with this randomly. And make this board secret. Nope. Group board. Nope. Right now I will just create. I will add images as well, but right now we are just doing examples. I'm not saving pins right now. I can save it later, but right now I actually want to add my pin, right? So I will click on pin here. I will click on here, upload. I will add my Pinterest pin in here. Very nice, right? I will add the title that is the same as the question so that it actually gets indexed on Google for this exact question if someone types it so. So I will go back to Pinterest in here and paste it here, right? And actually add the description as the same as the answer in here. So I will go back to ChatGPT. I will just copy that and go back in here and just answer that. All right. And if you want to add, you can add. This is how you can actually, this is how, and that is our answer. This is how you can start to make an income with affiliate marketing. Done, 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 and everything is done, right? If you want to add CTA as well, you can do that. And in here, do not ever paste your affiliate link or direct sales page link. First of all, you won't really get sales, and second, you will actually get banned from Pinterest, right? So always make sure to add an opt-in page where you will be able to collect email address. All right. So in here, I will actually one real quick right now. So that's my page where an opt-in page is hosted and I'm selling an affiliate offer, right? And in for tag, obviously we want affiliate marketing here, affiliate marketing, right? Side hustle, if you will. If there is nothing, that's fine. There is money in here, so I will add money. There should be business in there. So I will find something that is actually relevant. So business marketing, yep, fine. So there is 3, that's perfectly fine. If you want to add tag products, you can, but really there is nothing right now. Allow people to comment, yes, show similar products. Yes, fine. And if you actually want to describe the pin's visual details, you can use ChatGPT to actually come up with what to write in here and just be done with it, right? So you click on now publish, and that's it. It wants me to install the extension, but not right now. So I have my first pin in here. There it is on my board called affiliate marketing knowledge. And obviously if you just do 5, 10, 20 of this, it won't bring much traffic. You actually need to be consistent in order to generate an income, but only the traffic from Pinterest is not enough. You actually need to send traffic from Pinterest to an automated selling system here that actually does the work for you and gets you commissions, right? Any traffic source, be it the YouTube, be it Instagram, be it TikTok, right? If you send them directly to the affiliate link, or maybe even the traditional funnel right now where you collect email address and just spam, buy to them via emails and via other pages, it won't really work that well. It still works, but it don't really work that well. I do something called a hybrid strategy that works extremely well. That does all the job to sell product for me, and I make commissions and even high ticket commissions there. Remember, to sell any product, the most important thing is not the traffic source, right? Traffic source, there are hundreds and hundreds of traffic source. You can run paid ads as well. But the thing is the thing that makes selling is the system, and the job of the system is to shift the belief of that person, whoever is inside that system now. If you're successfully able to shift belief and actually convince him, then you are going to make commissions, make some money here. And this thing is valid for everything, not just affiliate marketing. If you're selling coaching, if you're selling anything really, if you have a system in place, you can breathe easy. You can actually make money while you're sleeping. You don't have to go on those Zoom calls. You don't have to DM those people. You don't have to show your face ever, right? So if I want to see exactly how to sell really with any traffic source, and if you want to sell any product, you need to click that first link in the description. It's a completely free training. So watch that free training, copy the system, and I will see you there.